Stumbling block in my life, them no want to we strive. One day at a time, Jah give more blessing. Even in abundance, sorry, ain't got nothing, still I call for me king. It's more blessing. Give thanks, life, loot, and represent the mindset.
Blessed love, manners, and respect. Do give thanks and praise for life. This is the Mindset Program. I just am your host, and I'm here. It's a great honor to be here with the Honorable Muta Baruka.
Yeah, man, give thanks, man. Rastafari.
Yes, sir, give thanks. First and foremost, I want to congratulate you on your lifetime
Achievement. I respect.
Yes.
But we don't get it yet.
We don't get it yet.
No, the 24th.
The mindset, thought provoking, you know. I'm your host, Honorable Ida Star, and we're there with our brand new mindset series live on the YouTube. Subscribe, Ida Star Mindset channel, YouTube. Blessed love.
Yes, my people. We're there again once more. You see me, I say give thanks for life, health and strength. One more day above ground and we're giving thanks and praise for life. We're there with the Virgin Warieka Hill TV. You don't know the thing go. You know, we just pull the resources them together. You see me, I say unity and strength, and alright, that's the thing there. You see me, I say. Yeah, so one for large up all of the viewers and subscribers. You see it. Yeah, man. One welcome again, you know. Warieka.
Yes, sir. Give thanks, Rastafari. Welcome all viewers and subscribers. You don't know.
Yes, I. So, what we are talking about, cause we see the Virgin there. What the Virgin name?
Richard Curry.
Richard Curry. Yeah, from Maroon, the Maroon chief and all.
Yeah.
Come out with him big gun and thing, and it's like no one enough to come on him land, you know? Else a problem, yeah, trespass if you have, you know, if you never get invited. You see me, I say? If you never get invited or you know have a warrant, you know you're trespassing, and you know anything could happen, you know, anything could.
Yeah, the man say him have a right to defend him tribe with whatever means, modern means. You know? Me no know which foreign government in him head I back him. I promise him backing, cause you know, me no know how him plan to pursue that and get away with that on the avenue there. You know what I say?
Well, the narrative is them the Maroon'S sign a treaty with the crown, with the English crown in it. You know what? You know what? When was that? But them sign a treaty. 73.
1773.
1783. One out of, I think, 1783. One of them did that. So that I don't know where that give what kind of jurisdiction, you know, that land them in a, you know, as the Maroon, because another one say, boy, the Maroon was there long before even the British and the Spaniards came there.
Yeah, the black people did that before the British and the Spaniards come there. Black people did it in the Caribbean long before that. Because when I'm on a youth, when cable TV, when them just bust cable TV in Jamaica, you know. Hey, Babylon need to create their own destruction in general. Because I'm bringing the cable TV in Jamaica for free, you know. You see, when I'm a little friend, them I come from America, and I say, the satellite, them used to call it, I think, and them have to pay how much money a month to get satellite TV.
That free.
Seeing that, and I can just go point a rock, a hanger, towards it and tie a piece of copper wire upon it
Cool,
and
man.
lead
Pick
back
up.
pick up all of the channel there.
Yeah, man.
You know see? So one night I'm gonna watch a program, a documentary type thing with some guy go down in South America and find some head. That head that big like probably about 8 feet, 9, 10 feet tall. See, just the head alone, you know. See, and the guy them a say this is how how long them a build and from carbon date and thing like that. And how long them are coming out the West. That's even the people them, how long them are come to America from Europe. That's even the people in America used to carve them out of rock and thing like that. But I sit down there as a youth, I look upon it and I say, a black man, a man like you and me, the head them, you know, lip and nose and everything, you know, in general. I mean, I said, oh, them I said, a them that. Are we that? A black people that? And then again, now, you see, the picture is real, you can't deny that, but them I give the true history of how long ago them things they do. See? So it proven to me it's the black man there long before slavery. No, nowadays them admit say yeah, them head there are some black things and they for true.
Yeah.
You see? So black people did exist, but none of them alone as black people did exist. You know what I say? The Maroon argument now that term there is an English term for people for those who are cut off. You know what I say?
Well, I must say, the Maroon I come from the Moors. You see me I say? From
the English
the Moors.
term. The English term for it is those who are cut off.
You say who cut off?
Yeah, you're isolated on a little region for yourself where nobody not to come and you not go. You know see? Yeah.
So what?
See, it's due to the war, and if you observe, if you look on it, to the war where them a fight, and how them put themselves in another region there, seeing it hard for really go up there so and thing like that. You can really say, boy, them Maroon up there, so you know, allow them. You know, see. See, so it's
venture up there, sir.
Yeah, as some English people, where I put that term upon someone, and that meaning them would have put to it. Me now I'm gonna take it back to the Moors them when you understand what I say? Me no know if the Moors and them didn't have interaction. I mean, I and I up in the if so be the case, a Moorish, you know, still call yourself Moor, you would not. You know?
See? Yeah, Maroon, Moors. Yeah, well. Let me say, look information there out there about it still. We have a thing where we are going to show about there sometime soon. But I really give some clarity around that still. You see me? Yeah, but yeah, Jamaica and the Maroons, you know, the history or the narrative around the whole thing is, you know, Maroons was, you know, slave catchers, you know, who catch slave and send back to the English. You know, that is the narrative that, you know, we grew up and hear in Jamaica. But, you know, is that true? You know, is that credible? You know, is that another thing where them just a true arrange in the whole works I think for get the people against them one another. You know what I mean? Cause I want to say, boy, when I sell out.
The same Vegas, they trigger a conversation a while not so long ago with one of the learned member of the Maroon'S. There's a guy named Daniel Bazra. See? No, Daniel Bazra was that inflamed by whatever back and forth him and Vegas did have. That's him. He make a speech say, that's why we did have to catch up That's why we used to catch and carry back and give the slave master make them buck break on one. That's why I'm born on the go on, so because you know she say it basically like that's why our him segregate film community from our one. So him as a member of the group, prominent member, university graduate, seeing made a speech like that was rather a confirmatory statement in my book. And also the facts well then is a knowledge where them themselves up there still entertain to this day type of thing.
Yeah.
You know see? And I'm gonna read the peace treaty. I try to find but Babylon no normal like that. I'm gonna read the peace treaty, Rasta. You know see? And part of the provision of the peace treaty was just bring them back. Fair reward.
See.
You see? Yeah. And we allow you to come selling at the market and things like that. See? You bring them back to a constable because them set up a constable somewhere and watch out. Them have 2 white men live on the settlement with them that was part of the treaty to Rasta. 2 white men have lived with them at all time.
See.
To observe the progress and the, me I say the queen.
So it look like say alright, we defeat you, but are you give with the terms and thing all this thing I go run by? Are you make the demands and are you how that work out? Cause I don't know. If we defeat you should not go by where we are say this all this thing for go. Now, oh you are tell we all this thing and we are gonna have 2 man or 3 man and where. No, we don't want none of your man them boy so. We don't defeat you and we don't really want you up here. You see me I say down here or around here, whichever where, but you can't give me no terms and conditions and all the things supposed to go. You get defeated. You supposed to ask me how it go. But me don't know. Then again, black people, African people, sometimes them become soft, in emotion. Emotion get over emotional.
Well, listen, them themselves could even read neither or write what upon the terms.
Rasta.
But again, it would have to be explained to them. You see, watch out, in case this island be invaded by any foreign enemy, the said Captain Kojo and his successor hereinafter named or to be appointed shall then, upon notice given, immediately repair to any place the governor for the time being shall appoint, in order to repel the said invaders with his or their utmost force, and to submit to the orders of the commander-in-chief on that occasion.
Rasta. See?
The ninth, that if any negro shall hereafter run away from their master or owners, and shall fall into Captain Kojo's hands, they shall immediately be sent back to the chief magistrate of the next parish where they are taken, and these that bring them are to be satisfied for their trouble, as the legislator shall appoint. The assembly granted a premium of 30 shillings for each fugitive slave returned to his owner by the Maroon'S, besides expense.
Rasta, some money did I collect then, that's how it sound like.
Yes, Rasta, there was a hefty reward.
Like 30
hefty
shillings.
Reward, man. You see, and all that now was in return for, thirdly, that they shall enjoy and possess for themselves and posterity forever all the lands situated and lying between Trelawny Town and the cockpits to the amount of 1,500 acres bearing northwest from the said Trelawny Town. Fourthly, that they shall have liberty to plant the said land with coffee, cocoa, ginger, tobacco, and cotton, and to breed cattle, hogs, goats, or any other flocks, and dispose of the products of increase of the said commodities to the inhabitant of this land, provided always that when they bring the said commodities to market, they shall apply fist to the customs or any other magistrate of the respective parish where they expose their goods to sale for a license to vend the same. See, so they have to pay a tax. You know, see, to sell them goods still in a Babylon market. You know, see. You know, see, my general. So
Just serious thing.
my disgust with the whole thing now is that the item are different. They said compensation for all of them things that we them do, which was wrong to I and I. So it's like, you know, for yourself and feel like when you do a job well done and you never get paid. You still not see the ramification on the ways. I say the Maroon people wasn't a great fighting tribe. In fact, Jamaica is a great fighting tribe, and them alone was like that. I mean, them come war and Nanny, you know, because Nanny never agree with these terms, yeah, with them terms, yeah, you know.
See.
So them see one come, Nanny walk from the terms, and them see one come war and Nanny. And them now becomes the foot soldier for the British against Nanny. You know, see it? Yes, Rasta. So the land that them are defend now and you see, they usually run up and down up there and go and so like him and he there with a whole rusty gun. I don't know what sort of public relations him there. So go on with. Because that's all it seems like to me. You see? Because a bluff, you a bluff.
So alright, well, no one shouldn't defend the Capic then.
Not in that regard. Not for the facts so well then. It was given to us for such and such a, by such and such a whoever. It was given to us by the Queen. Why? See? Don't come talk about it like that. Talk about it like a Jamaica and you do it for the benefit and the interest of Jamaica.
Yeah.
See? Don't come talk about it like so well then. Yeah, what was the reward when you get that first star? We don't want it. And like we say in a recent time again, the same argument, them talk an argument about some other discovery, mineral discovery as well, you know, see. So that invite another conversation again if I read
it. The aluminum and thing, don't it? The backside.
No, they might make another argument apart from the backside. They might make another argument that there was a discovery of some other precious mineral where I can't, I'm not going to say it. You know what I say? But I think a cobalt. You know, see? And them a step to and from, you know, them resurrect this whole Maroon argument and this, you know, segregatory type of energy and nature. Because they want to govern them own thing and deal with them own thing, and plus the ganja industry out for open up on them type of thing that, for instance, them not like, oh, the government of Jamaica had deal with the you know, the process.
Yeah.
So them would love to know so them can deal with it for them way and for them government, for them land, for them. Come we pull resources together, Rasta, and fight this corruption together as one people. No make no sense, it no make no sense. When I grew up and me a youth, I one of the you know me I say one of the people them that I'm proud of the most in Jamaica, the Maroon them.
Yeah, so the Maroon them.
Yeah.
But probably you never know some of the things them about where I read about it now, say.
No, Rasta, but we didn't look past them things there.
Okay.
Is recently them two new guys, Daniel Bazra and Richard Curry, come resurrect them argument, yeah.
Oh. So it's like something where like I throw in on the face then like they do them.
Yeah, yeah. You know,
See it.
see,
See
while
it.
the people from Maroon Town should just run them with them type of talk and say, don't mention that as a disgrace. Because when you check it out, you think the Queen or England or whoever did offer them that. Why remember that right now as a we could say a
They said
justice
I
thing.
look bad pon them.
What? You know, nothing to do with that, Rasta.
And some man a throw that out there like a rank. Like a rank them a pull.
Think about it, my brother. I like that.
I see you something man.
Nobody don't have nothing to do with slavery, Rasta. Everybody detached from people and
Yeah.
say, them don't know nothing about it and they were them and all them things.
Yeah, see the man them a take down all of the statue them and all of them something so the people them forget say yo them did not go on with these things. See how them things
Who
there
love my
go.
brother, man? Who love a general, man? They don't want them disgrace them.
Them no want
Right,
that.
Captain?
All of them are run from them something right you know. You see what I
Yes,
say?
Rasta.
Every latter one of them I run from that. So for some man I use that now for say boy all them thing I used to go on and them used to do this is like you know really and truly, you know, you have to check yourself, you know, cause you
Yeah,
deal
you
with
know, do yourself a
yourself,
favor.
you know what I mean? If you say you're for the people and then you know you have to deal with the people and respectfully, you can't come with them type of attitude there. You know what I mean?
Yeah, true.
No, you can't. That not gonna work. So
And that's for me, they have a little problem with Buju Banton. Because when he talk to the people when he teach, he must show how frustrated, emotionally frustrated he is with their level of understanding. See, me and you are supposed to be frustrated if the people they open up certain way. Me and you wouldn't have to dare such chat to us. People would have known what them to know. And I like say, we're glad for that. So that's we can have something for chat. No, but it's a science. Me always say Babylon, remember if man them look back and see when Willie Lynch them and them boy they employ them tactics in a slavery general. The whole strategy was to get I people this way, you know. That's even them man they know see themselves as leader. Act like sociopath. You know, see, because you hurt the people them feeling and you enjoy. You know, see,
for real.
brother, with guns, we have to buy education. Certain things people even want we know neither because we have a thing in reggae music. And if we're too bright, we can't sing too much understanding and too clearly. You see? And the world see? So the man have to know say that. Yeah, the man have to know say it was an assault on our intelligence as a youth that grew up Rasta. You see, if Jamaican people have a certain level of understanding. I mean, I just say, look, I say that still we mean English, read and write, and them thing that. You know, see, and for them far. So, you have to if you want to reason with them, you have to reason with them and for them level.
Not sure.
You know, see, you have to come down an I level and reason with that. You can't reason with that in a university level and expect say, we understand. The same thing the politicians them do. And watch the tactics. When it comes to campaigning, you know, when they marry the budget, I be a university that them use, you know.
Yes, so the people can't understand what I want.
Yes, or is when they campaign, bro, God.
Oh God, man, me I tell you, them I give you the lingua straight. Nothing I miss out.
So at best say you have to when we observe all them boy, I say, oh, so two different. And furthermore, I never all them boy. The English language, you know, I just saw it where. You see, plus our level where we there. We them they at stage 1. Comprehensively on the island then. A lot of people are way up and well. You know what I said?
Yeah, man.
But the masses what the effect the change, you know what I said? Stage 1. Let's put it down.
Stage one,
You know
not
see?
reach nowhere. Early
Yeah.
days.
Yes, that's that.
Early
You know
days.
see? Yeah. Them like a basic school children. No disrespect to black people. This and no disrespect. As all me stay so to, you know. And I like so well and me I say the people them say so me stay so I stay so to Rasta. And I realize say, you see, our leader them, when them a talk to it, them not consider that. Them talk to it like so well and we and them supposed to be on the same wavelength.
Mm-hmm.
Brother, if we did on the same wavelength, we wouldn't need your Rasta.
True.
Yes, sir.
That's the reality, my lad.
Yes, sir.
Everything with a balance. Equal.
Everything in a balance, man. You know, see it. Would have just
Yeah.
a reason and I
Yeah.
share the same, speak the same full standing. You know, see it.
True.
Wouldn't need, you don't need for listen to one. You know what I say? The direction and them thing there. You see it.
That's the reality, but them set them bring in them classism and all of them thing there, you know. You
Yeah.
see, them have them, or them have them high class and them have them middle class and them lower class.
Yes,
You see
sir.
me, I say? Segregation,
Yeah.
division. You
Yeah.
see me, I say? Yeah.
So I'm gonna have to know who him a talk to when him a talk to down there. You have to know who you have to communicate with. Who are gonna hear you when you talk. You know, see?
That right, that's right there. You see me, I say, if the right people them not hear you, and if, you know, 'cause enough people compromise, you know. You see me, I say, enough people
Yeah.
compromise, you know, certain
Yeah.
things already, so, you know
Yeah.
what I mean? You really
Yes,
have to
sir.
have the right people them to talk to. That is a reality.
Yeah.
Yeah. So that's it, you
Yeah.
know, man. But oh, you see Monta Marcus here, cause you know Marcus Garvey birthday and thing pass the other day there. We feel
Brother, we're
so,
not doing enough for Marcus Garvey. And the reason why we're not doing enough for Marcus Garvey is because we can't do enough for Marcus Garvey. Simple.
see,
Marcus Garvey too great, him do too much for we really. You know, we have to like me say, we have to reach out, we have to evolve. The race have to evolve. At least to the full standing of Marcus Garvey. I pray for we really appreciate Marcus Garvey to the level where we can salute him to the degree where he forget salute. So what I say?
yeah man, cause I'm great.
Great
Greatest man.
great black man. You know,
Yeah.
see?
From a born and you know come up, me always see a Marcus Garvey picture in my house, you know what I mean? That
Yeah.
one of the first black man, you know, black matriarch,
Yeah.
I say, in my house. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
Marcus
Other than
Garvey.
that, I used to have one black picture still, but a Satan. You know, see, you have on the almanac, you used to have a round, you have to have a Jesus was stay so, and I show him two and them, and you have a circle go around him with some whole heap of other little picture, like incident throughout the Old and New Testament. Well, you see the one where down on foot now was Satan. A black Satan and look upon him so like as a monster. You see what I'm saying? So me always I look upon that guy and I say, why? Why? So my brother, dangerous, my brother.
Tell
Eh?
me.
subliminally, you know. It affect enough youth and enough youth not realize the effect what that have on them. But me as a man opening enough ask myself the picture, God and everybody, why Satan have a black? Why Satan have a black like me, Rasta? You see it? And from there, so me not feel like me is a part of this thing, Rasta. You can't feel comfortable in it, God. You can't. Yeah. Unless you prepare to be a slave, my brother.
Them tell upon Satan, boy.
I know. I know that, but watch out. You see the subliminal effect where it have on I that make I feel bad about myself and want to come bleach for this part of them. It make I feel like, so watch out. Boy, it not gonna work. I give up. No matter how I try to be like, I not gonna feel good enough myself. I try to be like one of them because I know that I look like Satan here. So just make them go on for them thing, and I do I thing over here. I know I ain't a Satan enough. See?
Straight.
So yeah, it detached me from Babylon, from them early days, them general. Yeah, man. And I Marcus straight kind of the same period there. And them age group, the Marcus little tape them and go around and you know what I say? Yeah.
Marcus are the real top man. Marcus come do your work and you know we have to give thanks. You know the black print we put out there and you know we have to honor that and just continue to build upon that. You know what I mean? Great work. You see me I say? Yes, yes, my people, you know, say, you know, we come to the sealer other segment here, and you know, we want to give thanks to the item where, you know, take the time out for really tune in. You see me I say, we're there with Warieka LTV, I just start the mindset, and you know, with us a whole vibe. You know, this is the first of many. And we want the item to stay true and, you know, keep it locked to Warieka LTV and, you know, I just start the Mindset YouTube channel. Alright, just right there where I bring the item, you know, credible information and reasoning. Warieka.
Yes, sir. Give thanks, viewers and subscribers. Seeing if you haven't pressed the like button yet. Come on, do it, man. A subscribe button. See? Let's share and grow the thing. Show the youth them how you can be a example for good. See? Rastafari.
Rastafari. Peace and love. Mindset. Warieka. I just Rastafari.
Oh.